cephalotus leaf cuttings will be made. What to prepare? Prepare a flat container. Put wet sphagnum in it. Select the leaves to be used for the leaf cuttings. Do not use old leaves. Choose new, healthy leaves. I use this leaf. When you take it off, take it from the top down. Remove it as if you were stripping it off. Be careful when removing leaves. Take it so that this part remains. Place removed leaves in sphagnum. It will look something like this. Add leaf cuttings just in case. I've taken a lot of leaf cuttings because I'm worried. I hope the leaf cuttings work. I covered it to keep the humidity high. I opened the cover a little to let the breeze in, and a video on how to make leaf cuttings of cephalotus. Changes in leaf cuttings of cephalotus. I will make a video in the future. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel. You can also watch this video if you like. Thank you for watching.